Hello, in front of me I've got NUKI Opener. In this video I'll show you how to send invite to other users. In the beginning, let's go to NUKI app, and now you can press 3 lines button in the top of the screen and invite user. Next, enter username, Opener display name. You can enable remote access, turn on unlock and time limited access. Tap next. And now send this QR code to the user. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.